So let's quickly review what the MultiValue integration server is about. It can be thought about as the MV gateway that extends the business reach and technology options within the MV application server. It offers application modernization, allows you to monitor activity across the board, especially to match current expectations of 24/7, 365 availability of all applications. It offers flexible deployment options so you can take advantage of the cloud, containers, and the cost savings that come along with it. Let's look at it from a diagrammatic representation now, and you can see that MVIS sits actually in the middle tier between your customer-facing applications and the MV application servers. It allows you to easily create or translate your existing data or subroutines into RESTful services via a web user interface. This empowers you to build applications using modern frameworks and languages. Additionally, RESTful services that are created come along with Swagger definitions for internal or external consumption and testing. There is also a centralized logging and monitoring for customers who expect 365 days of uptime and service. Here, we provide API monitoring that allows you to fully participate in the API economy. Logging and monitoring is available via an admin API or a web UI. And with our most recent integrations with FluentD, you can also use many third-party tools such as Prometheus, Datadog, Splunk, Amazon CloudWatch, Azure Application Insights for enhanced monitoring. Application load balancing is available through the worker process resource pooling to handle traffic spikes. Deployment is also much more flexible and easily done on-premise or in containers. There is flexible API deployment and management options. Continued connectivity is offered by offering failover support and the ability to scale elastically in that horizontal tier. This product was also built to be very cloud-friendly. A lot here. How do you learn more about it? Well, there's a whole bunch of MVIS Collateral out on our website, from videos, datasheets, and additional info, and there's also the link to the trial site where you can actually download the software and play with it. We also have released a full stack offering that includes the MV application server and MVIS in the AWS marketplace in case you want to play with this in the cloud. So in short, the MultiValue integration server provides the following value. It allows you to continue developing modern applications within your environment and consuming all of that wonderful legacy business code that you have in there as well. It allows you to scale horizontally to make sure that you have the resiliency and failover support that is needed. Provides great operational insight and performance monitoring so you can clearly understand how your application is being utilized. Very flexible to deploy in any environment, on-premise in a container format, hybrid format between cloud and on-premise, and it maintains that connectivity across all of the servers. This product was developed to be very cloud-friendly in mind as well. So here is the value of the MultiValue integration server, and I hope you try it out.